Hello YouTube friends and subscribers. This little room here has got a nice fitted carpet, but what we want to do is paint the skirting boards. So we're going to try a technique using some masking tape and see if we can get away without lifting the carpet. So we're using this wide masking tape. Just put it just so that it overlaps slightly against the skirting board. And then you'll find you should be able to just tuck it down into the groove between the carpet and the skirting board. Something like that. I heard she sang a good song. I heard she had a style. And so I came to see her, to listen for a while. And there she was, this young girl, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with her fingers, singing my life with her words, killing me softly with her song, killing me softly with her song, telling my whole life with her words, killing me softly with her song. She sang as if she knew me in all my dark despair, and then she looked right through me as if I wasn't there. And there she was, this stranger, singing clear and strong, strumming my pain with her fingers, singing my life with her words. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you found that moderately interesting. How to paint your skirting boards without taking the carpet up using 40mm masking tape. One thing I would say is remove the tape before the paint dries, because once the paint dries, if the masking tape is actually stuck to it, it's going to be a mess getting it off. So gently peel the masking tape off while the paint's still wet, and just be careful where you're dangling the tape as you peel it off in those long strips. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, that'd be good. Thank you very much, and you'll be able to see what other DIY jobs we get up to.